Hey folks, I'm Walter, and I wanted to give you a little bit of advice about alcohol and you on a cruise ship. Now, alcohol is a big part of cruising for a lot of folks. You know, you get the drink packages, you're on a ship, and I do myself, I enjoy some extra cocktails at night when I'm on a ship. But let's say you damage yourself somehow, right? You slip and fall, or you trip, or somehow you hurt yourself on the cruise ship, getting on and off the cruise ship, or maybe at one of their private islands. The first thing the cruise line is going to do is make sure you're okay. They're going to get you the medical attention that you need to make sure you're okay. And then the second thing they're going to do is request a breathalyzer test, because the cruise line wants to know how much alcohol is in your system. Now, that could be the difference between the cruise line paying for anything that happened to you, if it happened on the ship, or you having to cover all of your own expenses. Yeah. Just because you get injured on a ship or something happens to you on a ship doesn't mean the cruise line is automatically required to cover all of your expenses. If you're over a certain alcohol limit, the cruise line could say it's your fault. Your judgment was impaired. Your movement was impaired by alcohol. We had this exact scenario happen on a cruise line where Rebecca slipped and fell in the buffet. There was a puddle of water in the buffet. I didn't see it, she didn't see it, she slipped and fell. Cruise line did a great job, medical center took care of her, they wrapped her ankle, they took care of her ankle, and they had her take a breathalyzer test where she blew 0.0 because she had not had any alcohol that day. Cruise line paid for all of the medical expenses, which included an x-ray, the wrap, and the exam by the doctor. Those services can be very expensive on a cruise ship, and our traveler's insurance absolutely would have covered those expenses. However, we don't have to pay for them. We don't want to pay for them. They're just something you should be aware of, especially you first-time cruisers. But hey, get out there, enjoy yourself, and as they always say, drink responsibly.